The Trelawany Police Division is reporting a decrease in criminal activities for the period January 1 to June 22 this year. According to Officer in Charge of Crime in Trelawany, Assistant Superintendent of Police Jermaine de Latibaudiere, since the start of the year, the division has seen a 9% decrease in murders this year when compared to the corresponding period last year. The cops say there was a 65% drop in shootings, 42% decrease in rape, and a 67% decrease in aggravated assault. In the case of property crimes, there were 12 more break-ins this year, though robbery decreased to 5 when compared to 13 last year. ASP de Latibaudiere is asking for the public's continued cooperation to help the force with tackling crime.
We understand that policing does not exist in isolation, and it is only through the cooperation of the citizens and the assistance of the citizens that we can assist in reducing crimes significantly in Trelawany. So we are urging persons who have information that can assist the police in investigation, please do not hesitate to do so.